Is someone spying on your phone right now? I know that sounds alarming, but this is one of the most important questions every senior with a smartphone needs to ask. In the next 12 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how to check your phone for spying apps, what warning signs to look for, and how to protect yourself completely. Stay with me because what you discover might genuinely shock you. Before we dive in, let me explain why this matters so much. Spyware, software secretly installed on your phone, is one of the fastest growing threats targeting seniors today. It can track every message you send, every website you visit, your exact location at all times, and even listen through your microphone without you knowing. Scammers use it to steal banking information, and most victims have absolutely no idea it is on their phone. Warning sign. Number 1. Your battery drains unusually fast. Spyware runs constantly in the background, sending your information to someone else. This uses a lot of battery power. If your phone used to last all day on one charge, but now it dies by early afternoon, that is a red flag worth investigating. Write it down as warning sign 1. Warning sign number 2. Your phone gets unusually hot even when you are not using it. A phone being used to spy on you is constantly working behind the scenes, uploading your data, recording audio, tracking your location. All of this generates heat. If you pick up your phone after it has been sitting untouched for an hour and it feels noticeably warm, that is a warning sign. A phone doing nothing should feel cool. Warning sign number 3. You notice apps on your phone that you never downloaded. Spyware is often disguised as innocent-looking apps with generic names. Go through your app list right now and scroll through every single app. If you see something you do not remember downloading, serious red flag. Warning sign 4. Delra. Your phone is slower than usual. If pages take longer to load and everything feels delayed, hidden background activity from spyware could be the cause. Warning sign 5. Strange activity on your accounts. Emails sent that you did not send. Posts you did not make. If someone has spyware on your phone, they can access your accounts and act as you. Warning sign 6. Your phone screen lights up on its own when it should be asleep. If your phone wakes itself up at night with no notification, something may be accessing it remotely. Both of these signs deserve immediate investigation. Now, let us check your iPhone for spyware right now. Step 1. Go to Settings and tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Check which apps are using your location. Any app you do not recognize, turn it off immediately. Step 2. Go to Settings General, VPN, and Device Management. If you see any profile you did not install, remove it immediately. Step 3. Go to Settings, Battery, and check battery usage to see which apps drain your battery most. These 3 checks take 5 minutes and could reveal everything. For Android phones, Step 1, go to Settings, then Apps, and look through every single app listed. Anything from an unknown developer is suspicious. Step 2, go to Settings, Biometrics, and Security, Device Admin Apps. Any app there you did not authorize, remove it immediately. Step 3, check your data usage and settings connections for any app using unusual amounts. And Step 4, run a trusted security app like Malwarebytes, which is free and scans everything. These steps together give your Android a complete security checkup. One of the most important checks, your app permissions. Every app has permissions. Access to your camera, microphone, contacts, and location. A flashlight app that wants microphone and contacts access is extremely suspicious. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy, and Security, and check each permission category. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, tap any app to see its permissions. Revoke anything that seems unnecessary. This single check alone has protected thousands of seniors from hidden spying. How does spyware get on a phone in the first place? 4 main ways. 1. You tap a link in a suspicious text or email that secretly installs something. 2. You download an app from outside the official App Store or Play Store. 3. Someone who had physical access to your phone installed it manually while you were not watching. 4. You connected to an unknown USB charger or computer. Knowing how it spreads is the first step to preventing it forever. The 5 most powerful things you can do right now. 1. Always keep your phone's operating system updated. Updates fix security holes. 2. Only download apps from the official App Store or Google Play. 3. Use a strong passcode or fingerprint lock so no one can physically access your phone. 4. Never leave your phone unattended with someone you do not fully trust. 5. Check your app list every month and delete anything unfamiliar. These 5 habits make you nearly impossible to target. Trusted security apps can scan your phone for spyware and malware. For iPhone, Lookout Security is free and well-reviewed. For Android, Malwarebytes is one of the most trusted free options used by millions. These apps scan your phone, identify suspicious activity, and help you remove threats. Think of it like a health checkup. But for your phone. I recommend running a scan once a month. It takes 5 minutes and gives you complete peace of mind. Your Wi-Fi connection can also be a way for people to spy on your data. Public Wi-Fi at coffee shops, libraries, and airports is not secure. The simple rule: never do banking, never check private emails, and never enter passwords on public Wi-Fi. Save those for your secure home network. And make sure your home Wi-Fi has a strong password that you change at least once a year. Your home network is your digital fortress. Protect it. Social media is another major privacy risk. Many seniors have Facebook profiles set to public. Meaning anyone in the world can see your posts, photos, family members, and location. This is gold for scammers and criminals. Right now, go to Facebook settings, tap privacy, and set your profile to friends only. Do the same for Instagram. And never post photos that show your home address, car license plate, or exact daily routine. Your social media privacy is part of your phone security. If you genuinely believe your phone has been compromised, there is a last resort option: a factory reset. This completely wipes your phone, removing every single app and every trace of anything installed, including spyware. It is like getting a brand new phone. Before doing this, back up your photos and contacts to iCloud or Google Photos. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Erase all content. On Android, go to Settings, General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset, Last Resort, Only. Writers, Riti, Perbal Orear, Y, Barich, Ra Umfbad. Protecting your phone also means protecting your accounts. Use a different password for every important account. Your email password should not match your bank password. Enable two-factor authentication on your email and bank accounts, so even if someone steals your password, they still cannot get in without your phone. And if you ever think an account was accessed, change that password immediately and check recent login history to see where someone logged in from. One of the most common ways spyware enters phones is phishing links sent by text message. You receive a text claiming to be from your bank, Medicare, or Amazon saying there is an urgent problem. Click this link. The moment you click that link, spyware can be silently installed in seconds. The rule that will protect you every single time: never click a link in a text message about something urgent. If there is truly a problem, call the company directly using a number you find yourself. One of the most effective protections is talking to your family about phone security. Ask Lucas or David to help you do a monthly phone security check. Ask them to look through your apps once a month and identify anything unfamiliar. Ask them to help verify your security apps are current. Your grandchildren see these threats every day. Their knowledge is incredibly valuable to your protection. Make this a family habit, and you will be protected by both technology and the people who love you. Complete summary of everything we covered: warning signs, fast battery drain, phone hot when idle, unknown apps, phone unusually slow, strange account activity, screen lights up alone, how to check, app permissions review, battery usage check, data usage check, device admin, apps check. How to protect: software updates always, official app stores only, strong passcode, no private activity on public Wi-Fi, monthly security scan, talk to family regularly. Write these down. Put them beside your phone. This is your permanent security guide. Here is what a monthly phone security check looks like in practice. Once a month, set a reminder right now. Sit down with a family member or do it yourself. Check your app list for anything unfamiliar. Check battery usage. Check location and microphone permissions. Run your security scan app. Check account login histories. The whole process takes 15 minutes, and those 15 minutes every month could prevent years of heartache and thousands of dollars in losses. Set that monthly reminder right now. Let me share a story that shows why all of this matters. A senior woman noticed her phone felt unusually warm even when not in use. Her battery was dying by noon every day. She mentioned it to her grandson, who checked her phone and found an unfamiliar app using enormous amounts of data in the background. When they researched the app, they discovered it had been recording her microphone and tracking her location constantly. They removed it, changed all her passwords, and ran a security scan. She had no idea it was there, but because she noticed the warning signs and told someone, she was protected before any real damage was done. My final 5 tips to leave you completely protected. 1. Trust your instincts. If your phone feels different or behaves oddly, investigate. Do not dismiss that feeling. 2. Make phone security a family conversation, not a solo task. 3. Run a security scan app once a month without fail. 4. Be suspicious of any message that creates urgency. Urgency is the scammer's most powerful weapon. 5. Remember that protecting your phone means protecting your money, your identity, your location, and your family's privacy. Worth 15 minutes every month. You have watched this entire video. That alone puts you ahead of the vast majority of people your age. The criminals who create spyware count on seniors not knowing this. They count on fear and ignorance. Today, you replaced both with knowledge and action. You now have 6 warning signs, step-by-step check instructions, 5 protection habits, and a monthly security routine. Share this video with one person you care about right now. It could protect them from something serious. Subscribe to Tech After 60. New video every week.